hearing nothing but the rumbling echo of a dream. Revved up by a high-powered engine desire in shifting possibilities into realities. Fueled by Royale Business Club's superior additive system, achieving extra mileage to success. Delivering greater octane to the business year after year. Shifting into top gear as Royale Business Club continues the race across industries.
I'd like to congratulate Royale and all the people behind it that create what it is. Rest assured, you now have the super brand status with you.
Aside from ginagamit ko yung mga products natin, ang dali pong i-share yung products eh. So yun, hindi ka talaga mahihiya. Ang ganda na ng marketing plan ng business. Ang ganda pa ng products. So we're really proud to be part of this business.
Power for your control.
Phenomenal ang pinakamagandang term sa nangyari sa buhay namin. Bahay, mga sasakyan.
Kung ano po ang amin nakamit, bahay, kotse, travel, even po yung pag-aaral ng aming mga anak, ang nakakatuwa ko dito. Meron kaming oportunidad na makatulong sa maraming tao.
It.
Hindi po pala kailangan na maging magaling ka o maging linya mo to para po ma-acquire mo yung mga na-acquire ng mga nauna sa'yo.
Try it.
Sinubukan ko lang siya.
Do it.
Hindi pa magal, sineryoso ko na. Sinapuso ko na po yung negosyo.
Engineered to move the human spirit.
Huwag na lang po yung kotse, huwag na lang po yung kinita kong milyon. Yung pagkakataon ko na lang na yung parents ko maging proud po sa akin, nakikita nila na may direction po ako sa buhay ko.
Crossing another breakthrough. Accelerating the future. As we arrive the road to Royale Business Club's Fast Five.
The car we're handing over today to our new proud owner is a 911 Turbo, the epitome of Porsche performance. 500 horsepower, 0 to 100 is a quick 3.5 seconds away. Congratulations to Mr. Arnel Salazar.
Last year, binigyan po kami ng pagkakataon na makapunta sa Europe. Isa po sa napuntahan ko na hindi ko po nakakalimutan, yung makita ko yung dami-dami ng sasakyan sa Stuttgart, Germany. And sabi ko noon, araw na yon, pipilitin ko, magkaroon ako ng isa noon. 6 months na po yung lumipas, kaya ngayon po, yung pinangarap ko po doon, nangyari na po, nagkatotoo na po.
Today, Royale Business Club continues to lead the race as we celebrate 5 years of feat and supreme victory.
Diba, ngayon we're going to have our 5th year anniversary. Sa Chinese, we call it Go. So, I believe this year talagang wala nang ibang pupuntahan yung Royale, kundi go, go, go lang talaga eh. Tuloy-tuloy na talaga, ito na talaga yun.
5 years of turning customer knowledge into revenue opportunities.
Nagsimula kami sa Royale,
March 2010. So, kaka 1 year lang. Dito tinuro sa akin kung paano maging utak negosyante. Check-in namin, umabot na 70,000 per week. So yun, nakakatuwa talaga dito sa Royale.
5 years of expanding customer relationships and brand loyalty.
I was able to build good memories talaga with Royal. Nakita ko yung mga natulungan niyang tao, yung mga nabago niyang buhay. Tapos isa na po ako doon sa natulungan talaga ng negosyo na to. Kasi nakita ko yung sinseridad ng management, sinseridad ng mga tao na bumubuo ng Royal. Hindi nila kami tinuturing na iba.
Feel the difference. Royal Business Club. Built for the road ahead. Moving forward in grace. Space. Pace.
Sa loob lang ng 9 months, imagine, nakabili ako ng SLK Mercedes-Benz. Pero sigurado, kung nurse pa ako hanggang ngayon, in 10 years hindi ka mabibili.
Buckle up and prepare for the ultimate ride as Royal Business Club royalizes its way to the global market, bringing world-class brand unlike any other.
The results that we have achieved are the product of right principle, well-studied business program, hard work, persistence and commitment, proper way of handling prosperity, and the sincere intention of helping people get what they want. Allow us to be the vehicle that will transport you from here to your goals and dreams the Royal way. As we move towards our 6th year, Royal shall be fulfilling its commitment of establishing company-owned branches in key cities nationwide and organizing at least 3 international branches. Indeed, we are preparing for the future and for the next generations. This is your President, Luis Alan Nolasco. From the Philippines to the world, we royalize!
Royal Business Club. We revolutionize. We realize. We royalize.
Royal, for the past 5 years, have been performing fairly good and is showing signs of greatness as a company. Here in Royal, we must be great in values, great in character, and we all have that social responsibility towards the Filipino people. Sa Royal, aasenso po tayong lahat. Dapat.
The power of dreams is driven by what's inside. Dream it to have it. Want it to get it. Royalize it and achieve it. Success redefined. Yours at Royal Business Club.